Yeah, taste net, yellow cake, you know what I mean? Yo, got the 6-finger kid up in the building, young nigga. Yo, young hodl in the house, what it do?
Synchronicity sting, reading literature underneath the brontosaurus ribcage. Stellar students, periodization poles with straight A's. Quantum edge swords, tune the sharpness up to twin flames. Gazoon tight, the nicest on the microflame. Turnbuckle pirates of the cherubim. British bulldogging on your back, that's a troubleshooter. Stretch out my wings like a platypus's latitude. Why you think I rap raw to pull the fucking rickshaw? Synchronicity gets involved like a button-nosy spouse mom. Lando killer Calrissian, trapping Admiral Akbar. Grassroots movement, a silver bullet to your Death Star. Bubble up your mind's eye like a microbrew with pine slime.
Me and my family, I'ma give you shakes like Alabama. Hashbrown, Nate, and Oscar on tour, taking in the panorama. That's been so synchronous. Our ship ain't sinking this. The meteor that didn't hit a meat, tadpole, little fish, evolving into season S's. Frequencies of sibilance, a parodies of similarities, peddled by middlemen. Cause surely your mind and body, temple divine and godly, finery amidst the gilded, shiny and gaudy. I'll take hardwood grain, boom bap and good brain, and maybe find a queen and sync to be my boo thing. Cause it's all in the timing. History not repeating but rhyming like the evening stars aligning.
Hey yo, I damage your amateur panoramic the camera, camouflage the motive, and notice I'm yoking up the stamina. Crumple a rumple silkskin and settle up to a GoBot. Robots are only put here to show you what you're so not. Sonar goes so far where the boats are, showing you I can get wavy. Call me Noah's Ark. Mozart composed beats but can't keep composure. All over if the chauffeur's not sober. Closure isn't easy, bruh, believe me. I think I cried the first time I lost a CD. Cliche like a replay from the DJ. I'm back from the delay. Used to play with swings out on the playground. Now I play shows with Taste Nate and Hashbrown. Synchronicity, no mystery. The Triple H of hip hop, call this shit my pedigree.